If you're tired of battling currents or paddling long distances, a good kayak trolling motor can save you time and energy. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Newport Smart Battery Box. Let's kick things off with the Newport Trolling Motor Smart Battery Box. Priced at $69.99, this battery box caught my eye with its external battery ports and integrated circuit breakers. If you want a reliable power source for your trolling motor, this is worth a serious look. This battery box is designed to make your life easier on the water. The external battery ports mean you can connect your trolling motor without having to open the box, which is a huge convenience. And the dual integrated circuit breakers, one at 10 amps and another at 60 amps, protect your motor from electrical damage. That's peace of mind right there, especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere. Plus, it has a direct USB charger and accessory port, so you can power up your devices while you're on the go. For around $69.99, it's already sold over 700 units this past month, which speaks volumes. Now, some people mentioned that the box could use a more durable lid. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be mindful when closing it and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a safe and efficient way to power your kayak accessories. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand heavy impacts, as it's not the sturdiest option out there. Now, if the Newport battery box's durability concerned you, this next product takes a completely different approach with a robust motor mount. Product number 2, Best Truck Transom Mount. The Best Truck Universal Transom Trolling Motor Mount, priced at just $30.50. What really caught my attention is its universal fit for any kayak with a flat stern. If you want an easy way to attach a trolling motor, this is worth a serious look. This motor mount allows you to clamp on an electric trolling motor with up to 3 horsepower, making it powerful enough for your needs without breaking the bank. The material is a mix of stainless steel and black nylon, giving it excellent corrosion resistance, which is crucial if you're out in saltwater. It's also designed for quick installation. You only need to drill 4 holes into your kayak. That means you can get back to fishing or exploring in no time. Over 200 of these have been sold recently, proving it's a popular choice among kayakers. Now, I did find some complaints about the limited capacity of 3 HP. Here's the thing though, if you're using a kayak, that's usually more than enough power for smooth navigation and fishing. It's not for high-speed outboards, but fits perfectly for what most kayakers need. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to add a motor to your kayak easily. But skip this if you have a larger boat or need something more powerful, as it won't suit those needs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are after a more heavy-duty solution. Product number 3, Seawave Row Trolling Motor Mount. Coming in at the same price point of $30.50 is the Seawave Row Universal Trolling Motor Mount. What drew me in here was its heavy-duty construction and compatibility with most flat transom kayaks. If durability is your priority, this is worth a serious look. This mount is specifically designed for clamp-on electric trolling motors up to 3 HP, ensuring it meets the needs of most casual kayakers. Made from premium stainless steel and UV-resistant nylon, you can trust it to withstand both freshwater and saltwater conditions. It also has a low-profile design that minimizes drag and keeps your kayak's sleek look intact. You can install it in minutes, which is perfect if you're eager to get on the water. It's already garnered over 50 sales recently, which shows it's gaining traction in the market. However, some users pointed out that the low-profile design might not hold larger motors securely. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you stick to the recommended limits, you should have no issues, and the easy installation is a big plus. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mount that won't drown your kayak down. But skip this if you need to attach a more powerful motor, as it's not meant for anything beyond 3 HP. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and sophistication, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Zichin Haswing Cayman T Transom Mount Trolling Motor. We have the Zichin Haswing Cayman T transom mount trolling motor priced at $599. This caught my attention because of its wireless remote control feature and 55 pounds of thrust. If you want high performance without the hassle of wires, this is worth a serious look. This motor is designed for both freshwater and saltwater use, featuring a sacrificial anode that protects critical metal parts from corrosion. The 26-inch shaft is adjustable, ensuring you can get to the ideal depth for your kayak. And the best part? The wireless remote allows you to operate it from up to 164 feet away, meaning you can fish from the shore if that's your style. It supports boats up to 2,750 pounds, making it a strong contender for serious anglers. This motor's features have already impressed many users, reflected in its early sales. However, I did notice some concerns about its weight, which is around 11 kilograms. Here's the thing, it's a bit heavier than simpler models, but the performance and convenience it offers can outweigh that extra weight. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and convenient motor for serious fishing trips. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and super portable, as it's designed for performance, not portability. Now, if you want the ultimate in kayak motors, the next one is truly a standout. Product number 5, Newport NK180 Pro Motor. Let's talk about the Newport NK180 Pro electric kayak motor, priced at a premium $1,299.99. What caught my eye here is its powerful performance, giving you an equivalent of 1.8 HP. If you want serious propulsion for your kayak adventures, this is worth a serious look. With 600 watts of peak power, this motor allows you to achieve speeds over 6 mph, which is impressive for a kayak. You can cover a maximum range of 100 miles and enjoy up to 37.5 hours of runtime, which can make all the difference on long fishing trips. The brushless direct drive technology ensures a quiet operation, allowing for stealthy navigation that won't scare off fish. Plus, it has adjustable trim and tilt angles, giving you customizable performance based on your needs. This motor is engineered specifically for kayaks, ensuring it won't weigh you down too much despite its power. Now, some people mentioned that it requires a separate battery, which is an extra cost. Here's the thing. For the performance you get, investing in the right battery setup is well worth it, especially if you're serious about kayak fishing. This is perfect for you if you want the best performance and are willing to invest in it. But skip this if you're on a budget or just getting started, as it's definitely more of a premium option. Now, if you've been weighing these options, let's quickly wrap things up. To wrap it all up, we've covered some great choices: the Newport Smart Battery Box, Best Truck Transom Mount, Seawave Row Trolling Motor Mount, Zichin Haswing Cayman T, and the Newport NK180 Pro Motor. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Newport NK180 Pro because its performance and range truly stand out for serious kayak fishing. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Best Truck Transom Mount if you need a heavier duty option, as it's limited to 3 HP.